Hi, this is Tom, a legal professional dedicated to helping you conduct business with Chinese companies more safely and effectively. Last time we shared how to pick the arbitration institutions. Today, let's discuss how to select the appropriate arbitrator for your case. In international arbitration, the parties usually have the right to choose the arbitrators. Typically, international arbitration institutions provide a list of arbitrators for the parties to reference. The parties can select arbitrators based on various factors, such as the arbitrator's expertise, experience, reputation, etc. Within the scope allowed by the arbitration rules, the parties can independently decide on specific arbitrators to handle the case. I recommend prioritizing arbitrators from outside mainland China, as the choice of geographical location may lead to a more objective and fair arbitration result. On one hand, each party can designate one arbitrator, and these selected arbitrators will then jointly elect a presiding arbitrator. This method ensures that both sides have some level of participation in the composition of the arbitral tribunal. On the other hand, the parties can also follow other methods of selecting arbitrators as stipulated by the arbitration rules, such as jointly appointing a sole arbitrator. However, the selection of arbitrators by the parties is not without limitations. Arbitrators must meet the conditions set by the arbitration institution, and there must be no circumstances that could affect the impartiality of the judgment, such as having a conflict of interest in the case. Additionally, if the parties fail to select the arbitrators within the stipulated time frame according to the rules, the arbitration institution may appoint arbitrators on its own authority to ensure the smooth progress of the arbitration process. Therefore, if one party, particularly a non-Chinese company, does not select an arbitrator within the required time, the tribunal will choose the arbitrators for the arbitration. Here, I want to emphasize that it is important to choose the arbitrators yourself and not wait for the arbitration institution to select them, as this will maximize the protection of your interests.